we're diving into how technology connects us all, no matter our age or background. Social media isn't just for the young. It's a place to reconnect, share stories, and find new friends who share your passions. Don't worry if the digital world feels overwhelming at first. Everyone starts as a beginner. Our goal is simple: help you find your tribe and confidently join the global conversation. Let's begin this journey together. The real magic of social media is community. Learning is easier and more fun when you're not alone. Your tribe can be family, friends, or new connections who support and encourage you. In these groups, there are no silly questions, just shared learning and celebration. Community gives you the confidence to try, fail, and try again. We'll show you how to find and nurture your support network. Remember, the relationships you build online are as real and meaningful as any in-person bond. Starting something new can be daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. Sharing the learning process with others turns confusion into camaraderie. Every question and discovery becomes a team effort, making the journey enjoyable. Support systems transform challenges into shared victories and lasting friendships. Belonging to a group that understands your struggles makes all the difference. Lean on your tribe. It's the smartest way to grow and thrive online. Confidence grows with every small win, and encouragement fuels that growth. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and let your support system cheer you on. Positive feedback from friends and family quiets self-doubt and keeps you motivated. Your tribe helps you see your progress even when you can't. The more encouragement you receive, the more confident you become. Together, you'll build a strong foundation for digital success. Challenges are part of any learning journey, but you don't have to face them alone. In a supportive community, problems become opportunities for teamwork and growth. Sharing mistakes and solutions helps everyone learn and builds trust. Mistakes aren't failures, they're stepping stones to mastery. Facing obstacles together turns frustration into shared triumphs. These collective victories strengthen your bonds and make the journey memorable. With your tribe, every stumble becomes a step forward. Your journey into online communities starts with knowing where to look. The internet can feel like a vast city, but there are friendly neighborhoods just for you. Facebook hosts countless groups for every interest. Search for seniors and technology or older adults learning social media to find welcoming spaces. These groups are safe havens for questions and sharing experiences. You can also explore platforms like SeniorNet or AARP's online community, designed just for older adults. Start small, pick one or two groups, observe, and join in when you're ready. You'll soon find your own cozy corner online. Once you find a few online villages, the next step is to become a participant. The most fulfilling connections happen in communities centered around your passions and hobbies. There's almost certainly an online group for your interests: gardening, knitting, classic cars, or genealogy. Social media becomes a gateway for genuine connection, letting you bond with people worldwide. Start small, like a post, or leave a kind comment. By sharing your experiences, you enrich the community and open the door to deeper connections. As you joyfully explore your new online villages and begin to form connections, it is also wise to practice the art of safe and savvy engagement. Just as you would be mindful of your surroundings in a new physical neighborhood, it is important to be aware and cautious in the digital world. The foundation of safe engagement is protecting your personal information. A good rule of thumb is to avoid sharing sensitive details like your home address, phone number, or financial information in public posts or with people you have just met online. Reputable community groups will never ask for this information, and being mindful of your privacy is a key part of building your digital confidence. Another important aspect of savvy engagement is learning to recognize and trust your intuition. Most people in online communities are there to share and connect in a positive way, but occasionally you may encounter someone whose behavior feels off or makes you uncomfortable. If a conversation takes a negative turn, or if someone sends you a private message that feels inappropriate, trust that feeling. You are always in control of your interactions. You have the power to ignore messages, unfriend or block individuals, and report inappropriate behavior to the group administrators or the platform itself. Knowing how to use these safety tools is incredibly empowering and ensures your online experience remains positive. It is also crucial to think critically about the information you encounter. While online groups are wonderful for sharing tips and advice, remember that not everything you read online is accurate. If someone in your gardening group shares a miracle plant food recipe, it is wise to do a little extra research from a trusted source before trying it on your prized petunias. This practice of cross-referencing information not only protects you from misinformation, but also helps you become a more discerning and knowledgeable digital citizen. It's a valuable skill that extends beyond your hobby groups and helps you navigate the entire online world with greater wisdom and confidence. Ultimately, safe and savvy engagement is about balance. It is about opening your heart to new connections while keeping your practical wisdom firmly in place. It's about sharing your passions generously while protecting your privacy carefully. By adopting these simple but effective habits, you create a secure foundation for your social media journey. This allows you to relax and fully enjoy the wonderful benefits of your online village, the friendships, the shared learning, and the incredible sense of belonging, with the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are navigating this new world safely and smartly. While online communities connect us, there's a unique magic in learning face-to-face. Sharing a physical space brings warmth, laughter, and real camaraderie. You feel the energy of a group working together, making learning less abstract and more human. Immediate, hands-on support builds confidence and prevents frustration. In-person learning blends practical skills with genuine connection, helping both your confidence and friendships grow. Now that we appreciate the value of in-person support, you might be wondering where to find these welcoming local groups. The wonderful news is that these hubs of learning are often closer than you think, nestled right within your own community. Your local public library is an excellent first stop. Libraries have evolved far beyond just being quiet places for books. They are vibrant community centers that frequently offer free or low-cost technology workshops specifically designed for older adults. Check their monthly calendar or website for classes on topics like Introduction to Facebook, Smartphone Basics, or Staying Safe Online. Librarians are passionate about providing access to information and are often incredibly patient and helpful instructors. Another fantastic resource is your local senior center or community recreation center. These organizations are dedicated to providing engaging programs and services for older adults, and technology classes are becoming an increasingly popular offering. Here, you are not only likely to find structured courses, but also informal tech help sessions or drop-in clinics where you can bring your device and your questions. These centers are designed to be social and welcoming, so you will be learning among peers from your own neighborhood. This shared local identity can create an instant sense of community, making it easy to connect with classmates both during and after the class sessions. Do not overlook the potential of continuing education programs offered by local community colleges or even some high schools. These institutions often have lifelong learning departments that cater to adult learners with a wide array of non-credit courses, including technology. While these may sometimes have a small fee, they are typically taught by experienced educators in a structured classroom setting, which can be ideal for those who prefer a more formal learning environment. These programs can provide a comprehensive curriculum that takes you from the very basics to more advanced social media skills, all at a comfortable and steady pace designed for adult students. Finally, keep an eye out for workshops hosted by a variety of local organizations. Nonprofits, community clubs, and even some retail stores that sell technology sometimes host free introductory seminars. You can find out about these opportunities by reading your local newspaper's community section, checking bulletin boards at coffee shops and grocery stores, or simply asking around. By actively looking for these hubs of learning, you are taking a proactive step towards finding the perfect in-person environment to support your social media journey. Each location offers a unique atmosphere, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your personal learning style and helps you feel most at ease. The true beauty of joining a local group is the potential for the connections you make to blossom beyond the classroom walls. The people you meet in your technology workshop are more than just fellow students. They are your neighbors and peers who share your desire to learn and connect. As the class progresses, you will find yourself sharing not only tech tips, but also stories, laughter, and encouragement. This shared experience of tackling a new skill together is a powerful foundation for building genuine friendships. The person you helped figure out how to upload a photo one week might be the same person you discover shares your love for mystery novels the next. Be open to fostering these connections outside of your scheduled class time. You could suggest that a few of you arrive a little early for the next session to have coffee together, or stay a few minutes late to review what you have learned. This informal time is often where the strongest bonds are formed. As your confidence grows, you might even propose creating a small, informal study group that meets at the library or a local cafe between classes. This allows you to practice your new skills together in a relaxed setting, help each other with homework, and solidify your learning in a supportive, peer-led environment. As the formal course or workshop comes to an end, it does not have to be the end of your learning community. This is a perfect opportunity to put your new social media skills into practice. You could create a private Facebook group or a group chat exclusively for your class members. This digital space allows everyone to stay in touch, continue asking questions, share their social media successes, and plan future get-togethers. It becomes a living extension of the classroom, a supportive online village that you and your new friends built together from the ground up, strengthening both your technical skills and your new friendships simultaneously. Ultimately, the goal is to transform a temporary class into a lasting community of support. These are the people who will celebrate with you when you finally have a video call with your grandkids and who will understand your excitement over discovering a new online hobby group. The shared journey from beginner to confident user creates a unique and durable bond. By actively nurturing these relationships, you ensure that you have a local, face-to-face tribe to rely on long after the last lesson. This lasting community becomes one of the most precious rewards of your entire social media adventure, enriching your life with new friends and a shared sense of accomplishment. One-on-one guidance offers a special kind of magic. A mentor or buddy provides personalized, hands-on help. This focused attention accelerates learning and eases anxieties. Imagine a guide walking you through each step, celebrating breakthroughs. Immediate answers prevent confusion from becoming roadblocks. Mentors customize learning to your interests and goals. This relationship fosters a safe, comfortable learning space. Feel free to make mistakes and learn at your own pace. This trust nurtures your digital confidence to flourish. Finding a tech mentor or buddy can start right at home. Younger family members, like grandchildren, are often digital natives and happy to help. Friends or neighbors may also be eager to partner up, creating a relaxed buddy system where you learn together. Local clubs or organizations often have tech-savvy members willing to guide you, making learning social and fun. Remember, reaching out isn't a burden, it's a chance to connect and grow together. Once you've found your mentor or buddy, a little preparation goes a long way. Jot down what you want to learn before each session, like sending a private message or tagging a photo. Be an active participant. Try the steps yourself, say them aloud, and don't worry about speed. If your mentor moves too fast, ask them to slow down or repeat, and always express gratitude. This builds a strong, supportive partnership that helps you both grow. Your unique story is a powerful source of inspiration for others just beginning their journey with technology. Sharing your experiences, your triumphs and stumbles, sends a message of encouragement to your community. When others see you overcome challenges, they think, if she could figure it out, maybe I can too. These small acts of sharing create a ripple effect of confidence and support. By sharing your light, you help everyone shine brighter, because we're all in this together. In our goal-oriented world, we often overlook the journey. But when learning social media, celebrating every small victory is key to building confidence. Whether it's logging in for the first time, liking a post, or sending a message, each step matters. These small wins create a positive feedback loop, making learning easier and more enjoyable. Share your successes with friends or mentors. Celebrating together makes the journey fun and strengthens your community. Keep track of your progress and remember, every small step is worth celebrating. There comes a moment when you realize you're no longer the novice. You can help others on their tech journey. You've absorbed support from your community, and now you're ready to reflect that light back. Offer a kind word or simple advice. Sometimes, that's all someone needs. By encouraging others, you complete the circle of support and help your community thrive. The digital world is now a place of welcoming communities and new connections. You don't have to walk this path alone. Your tribe is your foundation, your cheerleaders and your troubleshooters. By nurturing these bonds, you empower yourself to explore, learn, and grow with confidence. Your adventure awaits. Embrace it with pride, curiosity, and the support of your community. Happy connecting.